My people, my Owerri people, welcome back to Nenye's kitchen, Nenye's diary. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making the famous Owerri soup. This soup is really reserved for the rich. If you're from Owerri, you know what I'm talking about. So you guys should stay tuned as we get started. So guys, these are some of the ingredients for making the offending state. So this is our salted meat, our crayfish and pepper, our ede, which is cocoyam, which will serve as a thickener to the soup, our Igbo, our stockfish, seasoning cubes, and dry fish, our red oil, and this is the okazi leaf, the fresh okazi leaf. This is how it looks like, and our pumpkin leaf. Before making this famous Owerri soup, first of all, you have to boil your ede. You have to put your ede inside the pot, pour some water into it to a certain level. At least let the water cover the ede very well, and then allow it cook till it gets soft. While my ede is on fire, I'm going to be spicing the red meat, the stockfish, and the cow trip with some seasoning cubes and salt. I'm not going to be putting the cow skin because I've already cooked that with the cow trip, but just that the cow trip was still so hard, so I'm going to be cooking it again with the red meat. Now, my cocoyam has cooked for 15 minutes, so I'm going to be checking it to see how soft or how strong the cocoyam is. And as you can see right now, the cocoyam is all soft, so I'm going to get it ready for pounding. Now that my meat has been steamed for about 10 minutes and the whole spices has gone inside the meat and the stockfish, so I'm going to be pouring in some water into the meat to allow it to cook till the meat gets done. Here, I peeled the ede behind cameras, and also there are two ways in which you can pound your ede. But today, I'm going in with the traditional method, which is the pounding method I'm doing right here today. And also, you can use the blender to blend your ede, which I've shown in my previous Ora soup video. So guys, my meat is halfway done. Next, I'm going to be putting in the dry fish, the cow skin, and all the rich I'm going to be using for this cooking. Then I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes before adding the red oil. So then I added some blended yellow pepper into the meat because I wanted the meat to be so pepperish. I've not added my red oil, that's why the color is like this. So then I'm adding the blended pepper, crayfish, and fermented oil seed, and after which I gave it a good stir. Ofe Owerri, Ofe ji mali Igbo. It's time for me to chop my ugu leaves. I'm removing the long ones because I don't want it inside my soup, but according to our mothers, they said it's that particular one that gives blood. You can go ahead and put it if you want, but for me, I don't want it in my soup. So it's time for me to cut the okazi leaf, and yeah guys, this okazi leaf gave me serious wahala when I wanted to buy it. I have to buy like 3 times before I could finally get the one that is as fresh as this. After slicing the okazi leaf, Next, it's time for me to put the cocoyam or ede, which will serve as a thickener to the soup. When making this kind of soup, add your ede or cocoyam small until you get the consistency you want. Ofe Jimara Imo State is finally ready. Feel free to eat yours with tapu, semo, gari, any type of swallow that you wish. Feel free to use it. But mine, I'm going to be topping it up with semovita, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my semovita. In order to make a semovita or plantain flour or oatmeal, pando yam or wheat that doesn't go wrong, that is the one that doesn't stick on the hand, first is to boil your water, after which you're going to pour some vegetable oil into it before you start pouring any one of those things I mentioned that you want to use. After stirring the semovita, next is to pour some water into it and allow it to cook for a few minutes, let's say for at least 2 to 3 minutes before bringing it out and give it the final stir. And finally, the semovita and my ofe is ready. And so guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.